Ever pondered the stark barrenness of a desert and wondered if it could burst into a verdant oasis? If so, you're not alone. The idea of greening the desert, once a mere fantasy, has gained traction in recent years. But how exactly can we transform these vast expanses of sand into thriving ecosystems? Let's embark on a journey of discovery. In the heart of a desert, life seems almost impossible. The scorching sun, the relentless wind, and the scarcity of water present a harsh reality. However, even in these inhospitable conditions, the dream of greening the desert is not far-fetched. It's a process that requires patience, determination, and a deep understanding of nature. The first step in this journey is to understand the desert soil. Unlike fertile land, desert soil lacks organic matter and nutrients essential for plant growth. To amend this, add compost or organic matter to the soil. This boosts the soil's fertility, increases its water-holding capacity, and encourages the growth of beneficial microorganisms. Next comes the crucial step of water management. Deserts are known for their lack of water, but they do receive rainfall, albeit infrequently. Harvesting this rainwater effectively can be a game changer. Building trenches, swales, and basins can help capture rainwater, allowing it to infiltrate the soil rather than evaporate. Now, it's time to select the right plants. Start with hardy species adapted to desert conditions. These pioneer plants, often native to the region, can survive with minimal water, enrich the soil, and provide shade for other plants to grow. Once the pioneer plants establish themselves, introduce a diverse range of species. This builds a resilient ecosystem where plants support each other, creating a domino effect of growth and regeneration. Finally, continuously monitor and adjust the system. Nature is dynamic, and so should be our approach. Observe the changes, learn from them, and make necessary adjustments. This iterative process is key to the long-term success of desert greening. In summary, transforming a desert into a green oasis is not just a dream, but a possibility. It begins with understanding the desert soil and amending it with organic matter. Water management through rainwater harvesting techniques is crucial. The selection of the right plants, starting with hardy pioneer species followed by a diverse range of other plants, is vital. Finally, ongoing observation and adjustment ensure the system's resilience and success. The greening of the desert is more than just a landscaping project. It's about creating sustainable ecosystems, combating climate change, and exploring the boundless potential of nature. So, the next time you gaze upon a desert's barren expanse, remember, beneath that arid surface there lies a potential oasis waiting to bloom.